Okay, so today I'm going to help you with making a movie. I was really excited and enthusiastic in my last videos, but this is my third one that I made, but I'm keeping with it, but it might not be as exciting as before. So here goes. The first thing you want to do is go to BrainPOP.com, or you can access BrainPOP on the district webpage. Next, if you have not entered a code here to create an account, that's what you need to do first. If, however, you created an account already, you're going to go to login. Now, this, remember, is your username, your school username, and your school password. Now, mine looks a little different because I'm not actually a student. Okay, so then this pops up with the BrainPOP home screen. And this is where you're going to find all those different topics we're talking about. And your Make a Movie topic is going to be social studies. So that's where you'll find that. But wait a minute, before we start on how to make that movie, I just kind of want to go over where you can find assignments. So you're going to click on your dashboard here. And this is where all your assignments that are due, and it lets you know when they're completed or not completed, are found. This is also where you'll find projects that you've been working on. So let's say I have to stop in the middle of making a movie. If I save that movie, it's going to come here to the projects folder and timeline. Timeline is when all of these things were created. So if I want to go back, if my teacher wanted to go back and see how much time I've spent on my video, they could go back and do that. Okay, so now getting to make a movie. I'm going to go, oh no, I continue getting to my dashboard, but where do I go to get to the BrainPOP home screen? Oh, I know, Moby's my friend. So I'm going to click on Moby here. I'm going to go to BrainPOP. And it's going to take me back to this home screen here where I had all my different categories. So remember, I'm doing mine on social studies. I'm going to click on the social studies tab. I look at all the different cool things I can learn about. I'm going to choose culture because that's what I feel like today. And I'm going to learn about chocolate because a lot of people like chocolate. It's not really my thing, but I know people do. All right, so in your assignment, you want to watch this movie so that you know what to make your movie about. But to make a movie, you click on the Make a Movie button. And the first thing it'll prompt you to do, it'll ask you if you want to read a letter or write a new letter. And I am going to answer a letter. How do we get cocoa from cocoa trees if it doesn't grow on them? That sounds like a good topic. So I've answered that letter. That's going to go here. Now that topic can kind of lead me to what my movie is going to be about. Remember, your movie reflects on what you learned in the video. For me, since I did not watch the video, my movie is not going to answer any of these questions. I want to show you real quick just what to do after you're done making a movie. Oh man, this is awesome. I created this great movie with some pictures in it, and I'm going to write chocolate is yummy. Yay, this is the best movie ever. Okay, so this is where you want to save your movie just in case you have to stop and go do something else. Then let's say I want to watch the movie before I give it to my teacher. I'm going to press preview. Ooh, looks like a good movie so far. Here's my letter. And now here is my movie. Wow, that is the best movie I've ever seen. Okay, the end. Once you're done previewing your movie, if you want, the last and final step you need to do if you're done editing is go to Submit to Teacher. This is really important. If you do not do this, then the teacher will not be able to see your work. So that's your last step. Make sure it says Mrs. Baker or Mrs. Catronio and what portable you want to go to. And voila, you are done. Hope this helped.